Hello everyone! Today I'm going to do an unboxing from a company called Dreamer Designs. I've ordered a few canvases from this company before. I have finished one. This is a special canvas to me because I won it as a prize. On their Facebook group, every week they do, almost every week, they do, sometimes twice a week, sometimes less, they do giveaways. They have little contests. They have bingo, they have scavenger hunts, they have writing contests, all kinds of different things. And so a couple weeks ago, I won one of those contests. It was a scavenger hunt, and I took a photo, and mine won. So what they do is, when you're a winner, they let you pick 3 canvases, and they choose one and send it to you. So this is the one that they sent me. So I'm really excited to open it up and see what it is. Well, I know what it is because I can see on the outside of the box. It is Seaside Dreams. So the name of this canvas, first of all, Dreamer Designs, the boxes are really neat. They have this carrying handle, and I don't know how many of you are going to be carrying around your diamond paintings, but it's kind of a neat little feature, especially for the smaller ones if you want to take them somewhere with you. So, like I was saying, the name of this canvas is Seaside Dreams. It is licensed from Pinson. The dimensions for this canvas, it's a bigger one, are 90 by 60 centimeters or 35.4 inches by 23.6 inches. The cost of this canvas is $64.99, but like I mentioned, I won it, so I didn't have to pay a single penny. Dreamer Designs canvases come in these bags with their logo on it. They're pretty neat. It's another handy thing if you end up wanting to travel with your canvas, but also, it gives you multiple options for storage. So in here we have this toolkit. It comes in a really soft pouch. They're really cute for storing other things or, different, gosh, it's so soft. It's a little distracting. Storing your diamond painting stuff. So let's see what we have in here. We have a wax with their branded logo on it. We have a grip, purple. Purple is their color. I have another wax. This logo is not centered on there. That's okay, it doesn't matter to me. 2 trays, also branded. We have some tweezers. They're sharp ones, so be careful. I have 2 pins. They are clear with the little silvery sparkles. One has a regular tip. I mean, they're both single placers. I haven't used this kind before, so I'm kind of eager to try it. I hear that it works better with the ABs, but we'll see. I don't have any personal experience with that. You have bags. They usually give you enough for all of the, in my experience, they usually give you enough for all the different color drills. All right, and so we have another grip. A multi-placer. And a straightener. Very cool. All right, let's see what else is in here. We have our drills and our canvas. The canvas comes wrapped in this really pretty ribbon, purple. Like I said, their color is purple. This is a big one, so this might be a little awkward, but I am going to try to roll it backwards so it'll lay flat while I am showing it to you guys. Gonna try, man. It is not cooperating with me today. There we go. There we go. Oh, there's something coming out. What is it? I think it's a sticker sheet. There's something else coming out. What is it? I think it's some instructions. Man, this is a difficult one to roll. Okay. Maybe because it's big. It may be the biggest one I've ever gotten. It comes wrapped up in these foam noodles. My daughter really likes playing with those, so that's the biggest benefit I see. Since it being poured glue, you know, it's not a necessity, but it's nice all the same. All right, so here is the paper that came in it. It talks about their Facebook group, how to access them on Instagram. You do get a few benefits with purchasing from them and becoming part of their community. Like I said, they have weekly Facebook Lives, or sometimes they do it on YouTube or Instagram, and they have the contest, which is really nice because you have a chance to win stuff. So I recommend checking that out. The back shows some instructions for how to diamond paint. Comes with a sticker sheet. You can cut these and put them on your containers. I usually like to label my containers separate and keep this beside me while I'm diamond painting as a guide. It's a little bit handier, especially on bigger canvases, because you're not always having to pull it over and look at the side of the canvas to see the legend. You have it right there in front of you, like if you're working in the middle, for example. So this is the canvas. It's super pretty, super pretty. Like I said, it is called Seaside Dreams by Chuck Pinson. It's a beautiful ocean scene with a lighthouse and a little path. I'm going to read for you the description of this on their website. Description of the picture says, "The last rays of late spring, sunshine through whipped coastal clouds. Already the lighthouse keeper has retired for the night, and the soft glow of the lanterns can be seen through the windows and aimed out to sea." Yeah, it's really pretty. And I'm excited to do this painting. It'll probably be a while before I get to it, but It's really pretty, and I'm so excited. I mean, I got this for free. So this is square diamonds with 53 colors and 1 AB. It is considered pro level. On here you can, this is what the legend looks like that's printed on the canvas. It's really nice and clear. I think that there's a lot of confetti there. I think that the canvas itself is pretty clear. I mean, for me, I have really good eyesight, so that's not such a factor for me, but I know for some people it's a big deal. Let's see what else we have on here. Up here in the corner, up there, has all their social media information. Down here on the corner, it has their logo again, Dreamer Designs. There's a legend over on the other side. Here, this is not cut off, it is just bent over. Down here is their slogan, Paint with Passion. It does have a lifetime warranty. The last Dreamer Designs canvas that I did was Lucky Koi, and I did run out of some diamonds, and they happily sent me the ones that I needed. Their customer service is really amazing. So up here you have the information about the canvas once again. So now I'm going to show you the diamonds. There's a lot of them. The really neat thing about Dreamer Designs is they list the number as well as the DMC number. So that's really handy depending on how you like to do your canvas. The drills are really nice. I like the colors in this canvas. They're really what's the word I'm looking for? They're kind of natural, more subtle colors, and yet bold, like especially for the flowers and stuff. I think this is the kind of canvas where those little details that have brighter sections really stand out more. We'll see. I mean, I haven't done it yet. Oh, here's the AB. Really pretty yellow color. Yeah. We'll see where that goes after I finish showing you all the colors. There's a lot of pretty colors. Lots of different oranges. Drills, drills, and more drills. Like I said, 53 colors, so, you know. I mean, some of them there's not very many color, because, you know, there's quite a good variety with all the flowers here. But what I've noticed in diamond paintings is the more colors, it seems like the better the picture blends together. And I personally really like that. upside down. Sorry about that. Grays, browns, dark grays. We have, whoops. I just had a section of the diamonds fall to the ground. Let me pick that up. All right, last one. So greens, tans, browns. Yeah, their diamonds are really good quality. I haven't had any problems with them. I've only done one canvas, like I said, the Lucky Koi, but it was really, really fun to work on. All right, so this AB is number 53, which looks like it's a little dot for a symbol. So it looks like that's going to be up here in the sky. We have some of this, the waves down here. Let's see, there's a little bit down here on the path. Oops, I'm not in view. There's a little bit down here on the path where it's just to show off the light, I think. And let's see, is there anywhere else that I can see? Maybe, but mostly it's here in the tips of the crashing waves and up here in the clouds. So that is Seaside Dreams. Dreamer Designs. Pretty, pretty. That's all, guys. I hope you have a great day, and I will see you next time. Bye.